Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today it's all about how to top up, how to make use of compounding / reinvest and so on and so forth. This is an account which right now an available balance of $3,180 and it has $2,000 in. That means this deposit is treated as comfort. You see it here in the middle, which giving me 70% profit share and 30% stays with the company. And this is because my deposit was between $1,000 and $2,499. I want to get to the next tier level, to the optimal one, which gives me 75%. This requires at least $2,500. So now listen carefully how it works, because this concept is so sophisticated and has so many options. First, we go to financial proposals and we select EXAI bot, which is the flagship product, the one which I like the most. And it shows me one more time, right now I'm in comfort, like explained before. It also shows me I made a deposit of $2,000. It shows me my yesterday's profit. And it shows me down below that I made this profit in February 10th, which is almost 3 months ago. And it was giving me $977. So by tonight, most probably it will reach the $1,000, which is a 50% ROI within less than 3 months. Very cool. Now I have two options. If I click this button down below, here's a reinvest button, which I can toggle on and off as often as I want in real time. That would mean that tonight's profit will be put to my deposits. So the $2,000 plus whatever is the profit of today. And next day, the bigger amount is going to be traded for me. Some customers do it like that. From the 1st to the 15th of a month, they keep the reinvest button on to accumulate, to have this powerful compounding effect. And from 15th to the rest of the month, they switch it off again. So you're fully flexible, all right? And of course, these extra deposits coming by your daily returns are also helping you to reach a higher rank, right? I want to do it a different way. I am not going to reinvest, I do it manually. I simply say down below, top up. And before I do so, let me clarify the differences. I can go here, right on top, and say create deposit. This is what you did on the very first moment. If I do it, the company will make another deposit separate from the $2,000. So I have two agreements, two contracts running. Reason is, there are many institutional consumers, customers, companies who are putting like special bonuses to the employees, and they want to treat them all separate. So down below you will then not see just one, but you see 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 different contracts. That makes it easy to track a certain contract, to have all the filings for a certain contract, to make it very neat and easy. But it will not put you into a higher tier rank with a better profit share. That's not the case. This is only the case if you click on reinvest or if you top up down below, which I'm now doing, to specifically increase the deposit on this first package. What we can see, the current package is comfort with the $2,000. Now, let's say I want to put another $2,500 in. And right away it shows me, if you do this, you will go now from comfort to optimal because of a total deposit of $4,500. This comes along with a better profit share of 75%. This comes along with a projected and based on history data's profit of 13.12%. And this means the estimated yearly profit without compounding, very important, will be roughly $7,000. So I can confirm the same here in order to get to the higher rank, and which is also helpful probably for your affiliate in case you are making use of the affiliate program, because for a certain rank you need a certain personal deposit in order to reach this rank. All right, beautiful concept. And I hope this tutorial has helped. I'm not going to confirm as I am doing another tutorial in another language as of now. Okay, cheers and good luck.